Hey guys, Andy here at Audi Upgrades, hope you're well. Just finished working on this 2023 Audi TT Roadster. Done a few little nice upgrades to this one. So done the genuine rear view camera on this car, so it didn't have a rear view camera to begin with. Front parking sensors, it only had rear parking sensors. And when you have rear parking sensors on a TT, you only have an audible beep when reversing, but with the front and rear you then have an optical display on the virtual cockpit as well. So now you've got the display showing the front and the rear parking sensors, which is a nice little kind of bonus to the system. Enabled traffic sign recognition, enabled high beam assist, enabled the satellite navigation on the system, and lifetime sat nav maps as well. Chirp on lock and chirp on unlock. I think that is about it. So if I just flip the camera around now. So yeah, so new front parking sensors here. So here you can see new ones here under the headlight washer, painted in the chromatic grey, this one's called. So we have a local body shop I use to paint all my parking sensors and parts for me, so nice little match there. And then you've got the ones in the grille as well, which are just here. Here, and then on the other side, and then the one here as well. So 4 new parking sensors on the front bumper, and then you get a new dash there to turn the parking system on and off. And then on the rear of the car, we've got the where is it? I can't even find it. There it is. New rear view camera in the boot lid handle there. Rear view camera, and yeah, high beam assist and traffic sign recognition as well. So if I just jump in the car, just show you that stuff now. So start the engine, wait for the car to turn on. Okay, there we go. So here we've got traffic signs now here that would show up on this screen here, or here on the middle screen like this, and then under car vehicle settings, just wait for that to load, and then go to exterior lighting. Now got automatic headlights and main beam assist and activation time here, and then under central locking we've enabled the chirp on lock as well. And obviously if you put the car, this is an automatic, put the car into reverse, you've got the rear view camera with dynamic guidelines, and that's been fully calibrated using the this board on the wall. And you've now got the optical display showing the front and rear parking sensors as well. And you can obviously turn the parking sensors on with this new button here. So if I press this, things come on. If I press it again, it turns off, on, off, like that. So as this car has the front facing camera here in the windscreen looking out the front, that means the car can be enabled for traffic sign recognition and high beam assistant, so we've enabled those as well. So the only other thing we could do on this vehicle is enable the center TTS kind of TTRS sports layout, but the customer doesn't want that, so we've left that off. But yeah, the sat nav is also, let's just focus the camera here. Let's go around to settings, system maintenance, version information. So we're running the latest software 1489, and you can see here ECE 2024-2025. So ECE is Europe 2024/2025. So the latest maps are installed, and the car has the built-in sat-nav and obviously the Google Maps and Apple Maps when using CarPlay and Android Auto. So some great updates. Car is error-free, obviously calibrated the rear view camera, so that's all kind of good and doesn't leave any faults on the car with the computer. The front parking sensor system is configured specifically for the TT Roadster non-S line, which is what this one is. This is not an S line, this is a non-S line. So yeah, everything is as it should be. So just waiting for the customer to return. Many thanks.